Hello everyone, my name is Saloni Anna Saib Salvi. Currently, I am studying in MCA first year in Vishwakarma University, Pune. I am presenting here Linux System Administration project and my topic is file types in Linux. So let's start. First, we will see what is Linux file. The Linux file is the structure that the Linux operating system uses to organize and store files and data on a computer. It is hierarchical tree-like structure that starts with the root directory which contains all the other directories and files. A file in Linux is basic unit of storage that contains data or information. In Linux, everything is treated as a file, including directories, devices, and even system resources. This is a core concept of Linux design where all the data regardless of its form is stored and accessed as files. Types of Linux files. There are three types of Linux files: user data files, system data files, and executable files. First, we will see what is user data files. User data files are created and used by users to store their personal or application specific data. They can be any type of file that a user interacts with and then don't typically affect the system's core functionality. Examples: text files, documents, and multimedia files. Next, system data files. These files are essential for the operating system's functioning, such as configuration files, system logs, and resources like libraries. These files are managed by the system and are critical for maintaining the system's state and behavior. Example: configuration files and library files. Next, executable files. These files contains programs or scripts that can be executed directly by the system. In Linux, executables don't need to have a specific file extension like .exe as in Windows, but they must have the executable permission set. Examples: binary executable, shell script, system executables. Now we will see key characteristics of a Linux file. First, storage of data. Files are used to store information which can include text, executable programs, multimedia, or configurations. Next, everything is a file. In Linux, even hardware devices like printers or hard drives are treated as files. System configurations, processes, and other resources are accessed through file interfaces. Examples: regular files, directories, and devices. Hierarchical file system. Files are organized in a tree-like structure starting from the root directory with directories and subdirectories acting as containers for files. Next, file permissions. Linux files have permissions that control access, read, write, execute for the file's owners, group, and others. File permissions help manage security and user access. That's all. So, thank you so much for watching my presentation.